Hey everybody and welcome back. Since so many of you loved the interactive quiz we did last time, we are going to do another one of these, and this time we are going to do it on another favorite Judicial Services Exam topics, which is Constituent Assembly and the Constitution of India. So if you go back and check all the past year papers, you'll find very often that Constituent Assembly questions are asked in the GK part of the exams, be it in PT, mains, or interview. So this interactive quiz that we're going to do today is a great way for you to brush up on your knowledge and also see how many questions can you answer. So the rules are pretty simple, just like last time. You sit back, get ready, brace yourself. A Constituent Assembly question will pop up on your screen. You will have 10 seconds to answer, and that is about the time that you also have in PT. You have to very quickly answer, but in PT you will have the multiple choices. However, you should not depend and you should know the answer yourself. It shouldn't be necessary that we give you 4 options and then you select one. This kind of knowledge should be on your fingertips. So you sit back, a question will pop up on your screen, you will have 10 seconds to answer it, or to see that if you knew the answer, or if you didn't know the answer, then the answer will pop up on your screen and then you can learn it from there. If you knew the answer, great, keep going. If you didn't, go back and reassess how you can make your preparation better. This is a great way to test your knowledge. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. All the best. Good luck.
Let's get scratching. Let's get scratching. Let's get scratching.